Hi, how are you？小朋友你好嘛？今堂我哋睇啲自然嘅景象，一啲嘅生字。We are going to learn some nature vocabulary. Some words about nature. 大自然啦。Okay, so first word of course we have sky. Okay, sky, and we have sun, moon, star. Oh, where's star? Oh, stars here. Star and cloud and wind and rain and rainbow and where's snow? Oh, snow is not here. And storm. Okay, so read after me. Sky, sun, moon, star, cloud, wind, rain, rainbow, snow, and storm. Okay. Another set is here is mountain, desert, jungle. Jungle 係啲好密嘅森林啦，好密到係密到行唔到叫 jungle 啦。And forest 係普通有樹嘅樹林啦。Farm 係農場啦。Flower 係花，而 grass 就係草地啦，我哋叫 grassland 都得嘅。And tree and leaf. Mountain, desert, jungle, forest, farm, flower, grass, tree, and leaf. So 3 we have beach, pond, lake, river, and ocean. Okay, so we have beach, 沙灘啦 beach, and we have pond 係水池啦 lake 係湖啦 river 係河流啦 and ocean 係海洋啦 beach, pond, lake, river, and ocean. So some words you may need to pay attention, like sky and sun are unique in the nature. So we are used to saying the sky and the sun. So 即係咩意思呢？我哋講緊大自然嘅嘢呢，大自然我哋係講緊 refer 個好神聖、好 specific 嘅嘢啦。OK， 咁我哋要加 the 嘅，咁所以因為天空啊、太陽啊呢啲都係屬於大自然嘅一部分啦。呢啲啦，呢啲全部都係。咁所以呢啲嘢呢，我哋一定要加 the 嘅。Like the sky, the sun, the moon, the wind, the rain. Like the sky is blue, the sun rises, the moon is white, the wind is cool, the rain is heavy, things like that. While for something different like star, 我哋自然界，我哋人類覺得呢個雖然係已經係唔係屬於大自然啦，佢哋覺得呢個屬於銀河啊星體嘅嘢，所以我哋就唔使用 the， 就用 are 嚟代替。A star and some stars. Well, if you ask me about ocean, I don't know as well. In ocean, we will not use the ocean. Or the ocean sometimes, it depends. The ocean, but some most likely an ocean. Okay, so a bit tricky here. So let's enjoy the video again.
Nature. Vocabulary. Listen and repeat. Beach, beach. Cloud, cloud. Desert, desert. Farm, farm. Flower, flower. Forest, forest. Grass, grass. Jungle, jungle. Lake, lake. Leaf, leaf. Moon, moon. mountain, mountain, ocean, ocean, pond, pond, rain, rain, rainbow, rainbow, river, river, sky, sky, snow, snow, star, star, storm, storm, sun, sun, tree, tree, wind, wind. Good job, everyone.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed this lesson and see you. Bye bye.